Good morning, guys. Today we're going to be looking at writing equations with percent increase and decrease. So in our situation, Johnny has a cup of apple juice. Currently, it contains 30 ounces of juice. Each time he takes a sip, he drinks 12% juice. So let's go ahead and draw this. So that's my 30 ounces. And then each time you take a sip, it decreases by 12%. So let's go ahead and do this. So I'm going to change my 12% into a decimal, which 12% would become 0.12. And then I'm going to multiply that by 30. So 0.12 times 30. And that's going to equal, go ahead and punch it in your calculator. Give me 3.6. And now, is this a percent increase or decrease? It's a decrease. So that means I'm going to go ahead and subtract. So I'm going to switch colors here. Now I'm going to do 30, my original, minus the 3.6, which is going to give us what? 26.4. So after he takes his first sip, we have 26.4 ounces left. And then we keep doing that to figure out how long it'll take him to drink the whole thing, but I'm not going to do that. Just after that first sip, we wanted to know. So let's go ahead and see what this would look like if we had X ounces of juice. So this is now X. Well, I'm going to do the same kind of thing. I'm going to take my 12%, my 0.12, but now X is my starting amount. So I'm going to multiply that by X. And if we're multiplying any number by X, it just becomes the coefficient of X, which means we just put it in front of X like this. This still just says 0.12 times X. It means the same thing, except you don't have the little X in between to confuse you. So it's just set up like this. Now, in this situation, I took the new amount and I subtracted it from the original. And I'm going to do the same thing here, taking the original, the X, and because it's still a decrease, I'm subtracting the 0.12x. If there's never a number in front of x, we always say that it's 1. Because how many x's are there? Well, just right here. There's 1. So I'm going to go ahead and write the 1 there just so it's a little easier for us to visualize. And then this is something we like to call like terms. So this would be 1x and this is 0.12x. If two numbers are both connected to an x like this, we can combine them using the operation in between. So I'm going to go ahead and do 1 minus 0.12. Go ahead and put that in your calculator. And I got 0.88x. So either one of these would be acceptable equations, but it's important for you to know that you have to use this one in order to get this one. So I want for this activity you to practice getting both. If you have any questions, I have more notes pages throughout the activity. Give it your best shot, and if you guys still need help, please feel free to raise your hand.